AI can do a lot these days, but can it build a profitable online business for somebody with zero technical skills? I decided to run an experiment to find out. We are going to answer two simple questions. Can AI build a real product and get it live even if you can't code? And will this product make money? If the answer is yes, it means anyone could build a startup in just a few days with almost no cost and no tech experience at all. Sounds insane, isn't it? Let's begin. Alright, first we need an idea. So I open ChatGPT and just ask for AI startup ideas that a person with no coding skills could build. Right away I get a bunch of simple, realistic project ideas, and honestly I immediately like the very first one. Given the current job market, this is something a lot of people might need, so let's go with it. Since this is supposed to be a real business, we also need a monetization strategy. So I asked ChatGPT for options again. And once again, I'm picking the first one, a credit-based system. Why? Because we can set a super low minimum top-up value, which makes it painless for new users to join. 1 credit equals 1 generated cover letter, so simple, clear and perfect for a small online tool. Believe it or not, we are almost ready to start building the actual online service. For the tech part, we are using Base44. This is an AI agent that can literally generate the whole app. At least that's what their advertising says. I asked ChatGPT to create a full Base44 prompt for me and split it into small steps so I can add features one by one and fix issues on the way. When the prompt is ready, I simply copy it, switch to Base44, paste it in, and in just a couple of minutes the first version of my app is built, with working UI and basic functionality already there. And now, by pressing the publish button, it's live. That's it. Then I simply go through each step from the prompt, paste it into Base44, test the result and repeat. No coding, no setup, just letting AI do the work. And after a few hours, here it is, the final version of the application. There are lots of features available in it. User can paste their job description, upload a PDF resume or use a saved CV from the dashboard. There are also recreate and generate and other buttons. Users can copy the text or download it in TXT, PDF or docx formats. Users can upload a CV to use it later or download the previously created letters at any time. Also, we have a credit top-up feature powered by Stripe. There is also a full admin panel where I can see users, their activity, manage system settings like the minimum top-up amount and many others. Now we're basically ready for production. Just two small things left. First, let's buy a custom domain. Base44 makes it super easy, it even shows available domains. I personally like the coverripe.app, so let's grab it. Second, let's switch our Stripe account into production mode. And that's it, our app is live, ready to meet the first real customers. By the way, I will leave the link in the video description, so feel free to try it yourself. Time to talk about the results so far. The answer to our first big question, can AI build an entire service for someone with zero tech experience? It's a very strong yes. This entire thing took just 2 AI agents to implement, ChatGPT and Base44. And in terms of time, I spent a weekend on it. Mostly because of learning the Base44 interface and testing each iteration. But still, a weekend, from zero to production. Now let's talk about the cost. I'm using ChatGPT Plus subscription, which is $20 a month. Also, I'm using a Base44 builder plan. This is $50 a month. and the custom domain cost me $1 a month. So the total investment needed to launch a real online service in 2024 is just $71. That's it. And honestly, that alone is mind-blowing, because an app with this many features like CV uploads, PDF parsing, AI generation involved, Stripe payments integration, history tracking, something like this, would normally cost tens of thousands of dollars and take months to build. So far we built it, we launched it, and that brings us to part 2 of our experiment. Now the real question is, will it make any money? The second half of this experiment would take a bit more time, obviously, because of marketing, users, feedbacks, revenue tracking. So if you want to see whether this AI build business can actually turn a profit, hit subscribe not to miss the results, because this story is just getting started.